Get some paint on your brush. Now, woo, Annie, here I go. And I want to wipe that off her eye. I got some on the white of her eye and on her eyebrow, but that's okay. I want to shade right up like that. Just kind of blend that out really lightly so it just fades. My timer is going off. I think I will work on the nose a little bit more. So I was working for a half an hour, and if you know, I put a timer on because not only do I like to do this, but I have to do housework. I am going out later. I'm going to go and visit my nephew and his family. And my great nephew wants to get a tripod, which I'm happy to get for him. And but I want to see what he wants the tripod for, and that way we can make a good decision. All right, do the other side of her nose and lift so that it fades. That's good. Lift so that it fades. And I don't want a line. See, I just made it fade away. And what to do. I guess I'm going to shade over here too. Now, you need to be a Picasso, as I say. And just go around and tap in some color. Now, her nose line is going to stay there because it's in pencil. It's been a long time since I've done a face, a funky face. I can't do real faces. That's all there is to it. I want to get as much done while I have my my shading paint wet. I don't even know what else I need to do. Is she not perfect? Oh, of course she is. All right, so now we are, I am, you are. I'm going to come under her. Oops, that's too dark. But as I'm blending it out, I see it is not too dark. Just tapping it out, whoops, dragging it out to blend. There we go. Now over here is a little, come under her lip. I don't even know where to fix it. It's just so wonderful. Okay. Paintbrush again. A little bit of paint. And, I don't know. Should go under her, maybe just under her lips a little bit. And take that off her lipstick and just kind of blend that out. Even your finger is a good blending tool. I am studying her. Where do I want shading? There are rules for shading. I am not following the rules. Supposed to pay attention to where your source of light is coming, so this side of the face would be lighter and that would be darker because the light source is further away from that side of her face. Does that make sense? Yes, yes it does, but not today. I'm going to do a little bit more shading over here. And walk it out. Yeah, that's a term I learned when I was taking decorative painting. Walk it out. She looks really good, I think. Looking at the monitor though, I can, well, I get a glare right there, right? So if I move it over a little bit, Annie. What to do? Now, the shading is on the side of her nose and it's light. It's like, you know, highlight in there. So her nose really stands out. Yes, it does. Listen to me. I don't know. Okay. My time actually is done for now. But, said the wise woman,